Programming pneumatic motion in CNC. Motion commands, G-code commands, specify linear and rotary movements controlled by pneumatic actuators. G-code means geometric code. It is a very important code in CNCs. Then valve control. Code defines when to activate and deactivate valves, directing airflow and actuator motion. It means this valve control defines when to activate and when to deactivate. The sensor feedback. Sensor monitor actuator position and other parameters, feeding back data to the CNC program for adjustment. So, programming pneumatic motion in CNC, these motion commands, valve controls, and sensor feedbacks are highly mandatory. Maintenance and troubleshootings. Regular inspection. In this regular inspection, as usual routine works, monitor air pressure by using air pressure gauge. Then valve performance, whether it is perfect and good condition or not. Then actuator condition for optimal operation. So these all includes in the regular inspection. Moving to next, the another important topic is leak detection. Locate and repair air leaks is very important. Improving system efficiency and minimizing air consumption. Then troubleshooting guides. Use manuals and troubleshooting charts to diagnose and resolve problems, minimizing downtime. These are the three: regular inspection, leak detection, troubleshooting guides are important maintenance and troubleshooting. Safety consideration for CNC pneumatics. First, pressure relief valve. Relieve excess pressure in case of malfunction, preventing damage and potential injuries. To avoid this, pressure relief valve is using. It will release excessive pressure, so there is no damage and no potential injuries. Then emergency stops allow for immediate system shutdown in emergencies. It ensuring operator safety. So immediate system shutdown is very essential in emergency conditions only. Protective equipment. In this category, the gloves, glasses is important. Use safety glasses, gloves, and other appropriate gear to protect against potential hazard. Application and case studies. Metalworking. CNC pneumatics are widely used for presses, cutting, drilling, and bending operation. These are in the category of metalworking. Then packaging, pneumatic system control, robotic arms, and repair for precise product handling and packaging. So thus application and case studies are metalworking, and packaging.